hindi lahat na binibigyan ng opportunity.
Yes, I've been gymming as a teacher, pero hindi ko ina-imagine myself teaching.
Oh, easy lang ang edu, mga ganyan. No, nagkakamali po kayo. Pumunta kayo sa Vietnam at malalaman, binago na ako ng pera. Nalaman na lang ni Mama, like, at saka, never ko naman talaga, sir, hindi ako nag-regret na pumunta. Umiiyak siya kasi yung princess niya daw, alis na.
Hello guys, it's me Dio, and this is our second episode of D&J Tambayan, and today we are happy and proud to introduce one of the top performing teacher of our company for the month of October, our very own Teacher Joy. Hi Joy!
Hello! Go, go, go!
Kamusta?
Doing good.
Kamusta? Ilang months or years na ba tayo dito sa Vietnam?
Probably 1 year.
1 year, yes, right, guys? So 1 year
year
na kami dito sa Vietnam. Kamusta naman ang life being here in Vietnam?
For 1 year so far, okay naman siya. And then nakaka-adjust na din.
And yes, we're very happy na isa ka sa mga top performing teacher for the month of October, right?
Yes.
So ano yung nafe-feel mo?
Actually, hindi ko talaga alam na isa ako sa mga top 10 or belong on that group. Basta ang alam ko, nagsweldo ako ngayong buwan.
Wow, may bonus siya, guys.
I received something, and then yun lang.
Yes, so may bonus siya, guys. Actually, isa si Joy sa mga kasama namin pumunta dito sa Vietnam last October 2024. And I'm so proud to see her grow, right? At saka learn kung ano man ang natutunan niya here. So, kamusta? How different life in Burauen and dito sa Vietnam?
Very different.
Okay. So, paano siya naging different for you?
Especially in a way na different from the culture, from what we used to have in Burauen, sa mga customs at belief nila. And then there are times talaga na masashock ka or like, really, parang masasabi mo gano'n. Talaga, parang ganun. Kasi iba talaga yung way sila mamuhay dito. And then from way back to Burauen where I grow. And yes.
Nahirapan ka ba mag-adjust?
Yes po.
Ilang months or weeks ka bago parang nasabi mong well-adjusted ka na here in Vietnam?
Actually, even until now po, parang
still adjusting?
Yeah, still adjusting pa rin. Kasi may mga things pa rin ako na hindi ko pa alam. Na until now, naglo-learn pa din ako kung ano yun, something like that.
So, what do you like the most here in Vietnam?
Maybe because, meron silang mga traditions, like, they are very family-oriented din sila.
And hardworking. Napaka-hardworking na mga Vietnamese,
yes,
right?
And then they're very friendly. And
makikita mo rin, guys, dito sa Vietnam, ang daming mga babae na nagtrabaho even kahit matanda na sila. At saka yung panglalaking trabaho, diba?
Yes.
Nagko-construction, may mga policewoman. Though we do have policewoman din sa Philippines, but dito iba kasi talaga.
Yeah, parang fair ang treatment sa lahat.
Yes,
it's either kahit boy or a woman or man ka man. Talagang if kaya mo, ibibigay sa'yo yung job. Walang discrimination na parang na nangyayari.
Yeah. So matungo naman tayo dun sa teaching career natin dito sa Vietnam. Yes. Before, nagtrabaho ka sa D-Hive, yes, right? So now, dito ka naman sa Ocean Edu. So, ano yung pinagkaiba?
Ang pagkakaiba kasi sa D-Hive, like, nakafocus ka lang usually sa isang student. So, isa lang yung i-assess mo, isa lang yung tuturuan mo, and then, makikita mo talaga if yung bata nag-learn kasi one-on-one.
Okay.
Unlike dito, aside from on a classroom setting siya, language barrier din ang problem. Kasi nga, mostly of the student here are zero English.
Or basic lang.
Basic lang.
Okay.
Minsan nga kahit basic hindi nila alam.
Yes,
okay. Like zero talaga ang English nila. So, as a teacher, a foreign teacher na nagtiteach ng English sa place na zero
yung English.
English, napakahirap and challenging talaga.
So, how do you do it? How do you teach them na zero? Like sinabi mo, wala masyadong kaalaman sa lengguwahe na English. How do you teach them?
For me kasi parang nung una, ang hirap talaga. Like, as a teacher, dito talaga lalabas ang pagiging creative and pagiging, parang guts mo as a teacher. Kung paano mo ibibigay or paano mo ipapasa yung learning to the student na zero English talaga ang alam. So, challenging talaga siya as a teacher. So, mga nagsasabi na teacher is, easy lang ang eduk, mga ganyan. No, nagkakamali po kayo. Pumunta kayo sa Vietnam at malalaman nyo.
Right, okay.
Yes.
So,
hindi lang sa Vietnam, like, pumunta kayo sa mga foreign country, malalaman nyo na teaching is not just only a teaching. Like, you really have to, like, hard work talaga. As literal na hard work talaga ang gagawin mo. So, yung ginagawa ko ngayon as a teacher na may mga student na zero English, like, mag-start sa basic. Yes, from introducing the alphabet in English, the English alphabet, and then the sounds or the phonics, ganon. And then,
with the use of pictures,
yes,
right?
Pictures. Yes, very effective po ang pictures. And then, especially if nagtiteach ka po sa mga very young learners, effective din kung maglalagay ka ng mga hand gestures. For example, tuturuan mo yung student mo na, my name is, ganyan. And then, parang maglalagay ka ng movement like, my name is.
Yes, TPR ang tawag din, guys.
Yes, para mas effective po ang learning ng bata. So, kailangan may action.
Flexible, at saka very creative. Gumagamit ka ng TV. We do have TV. So, now, mapunta naman tayo sa why did you decide to work in another country?
Honestly, wala naman po talaga akong plan to come here or to teach abroad kasi ever since kahit nag-aaral pa po ako, yes, I've been dreaming as a teacher pero hindi ko ina-imagine myself teaching in other country kasi talaga iniisip ko yung self ko nakasuot ng DepEd uniform and then magti-teach sa public school. So,
yung very typical Filipino teacher,
yes,
working
yun talaga
in
ang gusto
right.
ko. Pero, kaya nga, if God works talaga in a mysterious way, so, when an opportunity comes and someone offers me na, okay, let's go and work at Vietnam. Are you willing to go? Of course. Let's try and venture. Something like that.
Okay. So, what are your struggles? Nung mga unang punta mo dito or first few weeks mo dito sa Vietnam, what were your struggles?
Alam mo yan, sir. Like, on my weeks and months here in Vietnam, talagang super ang struggle ko, sir, kasi talagang kalaban mo talaga here ang homesick.
Homesickness talaga,
yes,
diba? So,
tapos, syempre yung sir, yung I can't explain, sir, pero yung feeling na parang, hindi mo alam yung place, tapos wala kang isa ka lang dun sa place na yon.
Yeah, because you were assigned in a branch na mag-isa ka lang na teacher, right? And the rest of your colleagues are foreigners. I mean, the Vietnamese.
Vietnamese, the locals, yes. So, parang hindi mo alam kung ano gagawin mo, sir.
So, umiiyak-iyak
kayo. You were afraid. Yes, sir. Like, ilang breakdowns din ang pinagdadaanan every night.
But good thing you surpassed all those days, right?
Yes.
And then eventually, somehow naka-adapt ka.
Yes.
Okay. So, matungo naman tayo doon sa mga naiwan mo sa Philippines, right? So, how difficult living your family in the Philippines?
Actually, hindi naman, sir, malaki yung adjustment sa akin because we we are raised by a single mom. So, my mom is actually not staying sa house namin palagi. So, we are actually parang used kami na
Wala
maging
siya.
independent for ourselves. Like, we cook for ourselves, maglalaba kami for ourselves, ganyan. Kasi nga, my mom is, parang need mag-work ng mama ko for us to sustain our education. So, hindi malaking adjustment sa akin sa pagpunta ko dito is because I know how to do like household
chores.
yes,
Okay.
yeah. Ang pinagkakaiba lang talaga, sir, if iba pa rin talaga, sir, ang feeling, iba pa rin talaga po ang feeling basta pag yung nasa family ka.
At saka
and
yung
then
malayo
may
sila.
kasama ka sa bahay, kasama kang kumakain, may kausap ka, may katawanan ka, or
At
ganyan.
alam mong may uuwian ka.
Opo.
Yeah, ibang-iba pa rin siya, no? So, paano ka nagpaalam sa mama mo nung pumunta ka ng Vietnam? Yung first na pagpapaalam mo, how did you say, like, ma, pupunta ako ng Vietnam, I'll be working there as a teacher, ganon?
Actually, this decision is, decision is, sir, sa amin lang ni Kuya nung una. And then, and then, nalaman na lang ni Mama, like, week na lang, sir, aalis na kami.
Talaga? So, like, few days before umalis?
Yes.
Okay, so ano naging reaction ng mama mo? Okay lang.
Umiiyak siya, sir, kasi sabi niya, kasi tatlo kami magkakapatid, and then I am the only girl.
Okay.
Umiiyak siya kasi yung princess niya daw aalis na. Parang ganun.
So, nahirapan din siya mag-adjust or what? Sa'yo, did it hold you back? Like, tutuloy ko ba? Parang naawa naman ako kay mama kasi umiiyak siya.
Ako, sir, hindi ako nag-hold back.
Oo, kasi parang
Oo.
na talaga
At saka,
prosegido
never
na.
ko naman talaga, sir, hindi ako nag-regret na pumunta ako dito.
So now, ano yung mga ginagawa niyo? Like, how do you cope up missing home?
Kikipag-usap sa mga friends. Actually, minsan lang ako, sir, makipag-usap kay na mama. Kasi pag nakikipag-usap ako, sir, after ko makipag-usap, mas lalo kong namimiss ang home.
So ngayon, ganap na isa ka ng OFW, right? So, ano yung kagandahan ng pagiging OFW?
Maganda kasi I can buy my own.
Yeah, you can buy
I have all my money, yes.
So you can buy whatever you want, right? Syempre, part of the reason why we came to work in another country is talagang we can save, we can earn, and then
Yes.
save, and then we can buy whatever we want to buy, right? It is quite different in the Philippines kasi nung nasa Pilipinas tayo, syempre mas maliit yung sahod, at saka hindi natin nabibili yung mga gusto natin.
Yes.
So ano na ba yung mga nabili mo so
Sure.
far? Or may
Of course, i-flex ang iPhone 16. I-flex ang iPhone 16 at ang ticket. Char! Ang plane ticket.
Plane ticket to?
Hong Kong!
Diba nakapag Hong Kong ka na.
Yes.
And what are you looking forward? Ano pa yung mga gusto mong bilihin, gawin with your money?
Okay, isagad na ang pagiging ambisyosa. Gusto ko ng Malavin Homes na bahay. Tagapagmana.
Susunod na tagapagmana ng Pinoms. So, may mga countries ka pa ba na gustong puntahan?
Yes, meron po. Sa Asia, gusto ko po mag-visit sa Korea.
Korea.
Yes, and then probably sa Japan. Gusto ko din sa Japan.
Bucket
Kasi
list,
napakaganda
Japan,
ng place
Korea.
nila. Yes.
May mga gusto ka pang bilhin. Maliban sa bahay, nakabili ka na ng iPhone 16. Soon, mag-upgrade ka na to 17, to 18, to 19. Right? Okay, ang daming bucket list na. So, nagpapadala ka naman sa bahay niyo.
Yes
like
po,
because your brother is working also,
Yeah,
right? So, and you live together with your brother and your two brother, your younger brother and your
Yes.
older brother. But nagpapadala ka pa rin. For whom?
minsan sa brother ko or minsan kay mama. Or directly kay mama, binibigay ko.
Do they need it? Or like, gusto mo
Hindi.
lang
Yun
talaga?
lang po ang kinaganda sa family ko because they're not forcing me to send them money.
And of
like,
course,
kung ano lang yung, kung magbigay ako or ano. Pero of course, nabibigay naman po ako.
At saka syempre, nagtatrabaho din sila talaga.
Yeah.
So,
And then, gusto ko naman din po, syempre, tumatanda na din ang mama ko. Like, gusto ko din niya ma-experience yung mga bagay na hindi niya na-experience. Yes.
So, apart from your family, ano pinamimiss mo sa Philippines?
Mga fake friends.
Fake friends?
Yes.
Who are those fake friends?
Mga fake friends, hello! May mga fake friends dyan.
At saka yung mga bashers.
Yes, and the bashers.
Now, makikita niyo si Joy, nagbago na siya. Not the...
Binago na ako ng pera.
Not the attitude, but of course, makikita natin na mas lalong gubanda si Joy. Diba? Kasi nagpa-laser na siya. Nagpa-laser. Yes. Yun yung nagagawa ng abroad ka. Pag abroad ka, na nagagawa mo yung mga things na hindi mo nagagawa before. Though, yes, pag abroad ka, hindi din naman siya madali. Diba? You have a lot of things to do and you have a lot of struggles na kailangan mo paglampasan. Right? Siguro yung mga nakikita ng mga tao is yung mga nakikita ng tao.
I'm living the life.
Yes, pero not the background story
Yes.
na mahirap din talaga. And then, okay, so hindi tayo matatapos without doing this. This is our very own segment here in DNJ
seat na ba?
Tambayan. This is not
Hot
the
seat na?
fast talk, but this is just more of a slow talk. Alright? Okay, so bubunot ka lang ng words. These are words na sinulat natin. Sinulat ko. And then you just have to pick and then just tell me about that word. Okay? Okay, kuha ka na.
Okay, let's have the first one. Ano ba to?
Your
Okay.
hashtag is, di ba parang beauty queen lang?
Okay, number 1.
Bingo na agad. Okay, ano yung word mo, Joy?
Okay, Vietnam.
Vietnam. Okay, so tell me about Vietnam.
Okay, Vietnam. Very amazing place. Very amazing people. They are actually a good friend.
Yes, actually, parang ganda din naman sa Philippines,
Yes.
right? Iba-iba. Mix of attitude.
Attitude, I like it.
What about the food?
The food is good, pero hindi ko pa po na-try yung some local food nila. Like,
Ano pa rin na-try mo?
pho,
Buncha.
buncha,
Buncha, yung...
the spring roll.
Okay. Nemran.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the banh mi.
Banh mi,
Banh
yes.
mi.
Ang sarap ng banh mi, no?
Yes. And then Kum Sang, my favorite.
Kumsang. Pinoy na Pinoy.
Pinoy na
Gustong-gusto
Pinoy.
yung rice.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Joy. Okay, for your next word, bunot ka ulit.
So, next is, we have teaching.
Okay, teaching. Right. So, ano yung teaching for you?
Teaching is
Bread and butter.
bread and butter. Yes, a bread and butter.
Siyempre,
Bread
yun
and butter.
yung bumubuhay sa atin,
Bubuhay
diba?
sa'yo. Yes, bread and butter. Yes, teaching is a noble job.
Yes. So,
Yes.
syempre, yun din yung pinagtapusan mo. Kaya, we have to be proud that
Yes.
we are teaching. Kailangan ba maging education graduate for you to teach?
Not necessary.
Not necessary. How will you teach if you're not a teacher? I mean, an
Ano?
education graduate.
Mag ABCD lang, ganun. No.
ABCD lang.
Hindi, like, matututunan naman din ang teaching eh. And then, kailangan, struggle lang talaga if hindi ka talaga education graduate.
Yeah, you just
struggle
have...
lang from the first time.
Yes.
Sa
Yun lang, you just need the passion to
Yeah,
teach
the
or
passion
to help,
to teach. Kasi
right?
it's not just only the salary and yung work eh, but pag nilove mo na kasi ang teaching, like kahit any amount of money cannot be paid off if nakikita mo talaga yung student mo nag-learn, ganyan, like it is too much joy siya na hindi siya mababayaran ng any amount of money.
Yes. Okay, fulfilling din siya. Kasi hindi naman lahat sa amin, guys, education graduate. So, may mga iba sa amin na hospitality management, may mga masscom, may nursing, at saka ang dami pang iba, right? So, yeah, you can be a teacher if you just have the passion, if you have the will to teach and to impart knowledge to other people,
Yes.
right? Okay, for our third
Okay, the third
Third
one. Uy.
Jowa.
Mama.
Mama. Okay,
Okay.
mama. Your mama.
Okay, my mama. Okay, stay beautiful. Siyempre, saan nagmana? And
Your
then,
queen.
yung masasabi ko kay mama is, I hope, maging healthy ka palagi kasi magtutour pa tayo. Hintayin mo lang ako at asuwahin ko ang magiging tagapagmana ng Vin Homes.
Ng Win Group.
ng Vin Groups. Hahanapin ko muna ang
Tapos mag-world tour pa.
world tour pa tayo, mama. And mamamasyal pa tayo sa maraming places. And yeah, stay healthy lang palagi.
Okay, so yes, for the fourth word, second to the last word,
It's opportunity.
opportunity. Okay, that's opportunity. So, ano masasabi mo sa opportunity?
So, aside from binigyan ako ng opportunity na makapunta sa Vietnam, of course, I cannot say na I will stay here forever. Right? Okay. And then, if there is another opportunity comes na may magandang offer, why not accept it? Because habang bata, let's always take a risk. Yes, as para mag-grow tayo as a person. Kasi if we stay only on a one side, parang hindi tayo mag-grow as a person.
Okay, if we will just stay in a box, yun bang parang magiging prison lang tayo and we will not learn, right?
Yes.
It's better to learn, to take risks, push lang ng push,
Push.
laban lang ng laban.
Laban.
Kasi hindi ka makakarating sa gusto mong puntahan kung if you will be afraid of taking a risk, right?
Yes,
And
yes.
that what makes you
You.
right now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so for the last word, syempre 5 ang word eh.
Hoy, ano ba ang last?
Love life, love life.
Money! Itanadhana talaga sa akin ang money. Mukhang pera talaga. Okay. Money, okay. Money can buy happiness, char. Okay, dahil mga alipin tayo ng salapi, pagbutihin pa ang trabaho at magpakayaman. Kasi magiging mayordoma tayo ng tabuanon.
Do you think money can buy everything?
Not all.
Ano naman ang hindi kayang bilhin ng money?
Love.
Love. Okay, dahil hindi mo nabunot ang love, at syempre may mga fake friends and bashers
Okay,
ka.
fake friends and
Here's your
bashers.
camera. So may mga fake friends and bashers ka, diba, sa Philippines. So may mga curious. Have you found love? Yes, in Vietnam.
Hi!
Kinikilig-kilig siya, guys. So, I think may positive vibes, right? Okay. So, have you found love?
Hindi pa, char.
Hindi pa.
Yeah. Hindi pa.
Pero may mga nagpaparamdam-paramdam ba?
wala mo,
Gumanda
sir. Wala mo. No.
Well, hey everybody, we're knocking. So,
Sige na, message na.
available si Joy, right? Okay, so Joy, ano yung pinagpapasalamat mo? Bago tayo matapos, ano yung pinagpapasalamat mo?
Sa lahat ng blessings. Because this is a blessing. Yes. Kasi hindi lahat na binibigyan ng opportunity na makapunta dito and have a chance to work abroad. And hindi lahat na pumupunta dito is nagiging maganda ang kwento. So, this is, for me, my story is actually, masasabi ko na good naman, for now. Good naman siya, yes.
And what are your future plans?
Future plans? Maghanap ng AFAM.
Number 1, AFAM. Okay.
AFAM.
Kung walang Pinoy, AFAM.
AFAM.
Okay. And then, ano pa?
And then, of course, magpayaman.
Yumaman. Yeah.
Magpayaman.
Kaya tayo alipin ng salapi kasi
Alipin
gusto
ng
natin
salapi.
yumaman. Okay.
And then, if magkaroon ng maraming investment.
Okay, wow.
Yes.
That's nice, right?
Kasi, we will not stay here forever. So, probably mag-decide tayo umuwi and then stay for good. So, mas maganda kung we save for our future.
But do you plan of staying in Vietnam for a longer time?
Yes, if mas maging maganda pa yung outcome for this coming years, probably magstay pa ng longer.
Gumaganda ang outcome mo, dalawa na yung parang international, First is naging, ano yung tawag nun? Inspiring teacher, di ba? Inspiring teacher siya dito sa Vietnam. That's international. And then, of course, yung ngayon, last month, yun nga, naging one of the top performing teachers siya ng aming company. And we're very, very proud of you. The Latim here, the Latim is very proud of you.
And plastic!
But anyway, thank you so much, Joy. We're very happy na nakasama ka namin dito sa D&J Tambayan. And do you have messages to your fans?
Fans!
to your family or to your fake friends.
Fake friends.
Okay.
So, my message to everyone, for those kung gusto nyo mag-work as a teacher o kahit hindi teacher in the other country, like, lakasan lang talaga ng loob, ang masasabi ko. Like, kasi if you see us, we're living a life here. No, we're not. Kasi hindi nyo alam ang everyday struggle namin dito as a person na nag-work in other countries.
Yes. What about your family?
Yes, from my family out there, see you soon.
Yes. O, di ba? Uuwi na ata si Joy. See you soon na kasi.
Uuwi na ang mukhang pera.
Okay,
yes.
and what about your friends?
Yeah, to my fake friends there, stay fake.
Stay fake.
Stay mga fake
Stay
dyan.
fake as you are.
Yes,
as a bashers.
I really miss our mga libaks.
Libakers.
Mga dalibakers. Yes, kahit naman minsan nag-uusap kami sa, like, in a group or video call, something like that. Pero iba pa din ang feeling na
nasa
nakikita
in
mo
person,
sila.
yes,
Yeah.
nagtatagay-tagay.
That's what I really miss in the Philippines,
Okay,
my friends.
dito yung tagay natin is parang chill lang, hindi yung
Kasi, mag-alangan ka, may klase pa ako si teacher, mag-ganyan-ganyan.
Okay, so Joy, any shout-out na sa ating mga viewers ng D&J Tambayan?
Okay, shout-out dyan, message na kayo. And then, shout-out sa mga taga-Tabuanan dyan. Tabuaners, okay. This is your Joy.
Your joy, ang kaligayahan,
Ang
right?
kaligayahan.
Okay,
Yes.
so guys, that's the end of our episode for today. So I hope you enjoyed listening to Joy's story, and
Yes.
we'll be having more episodes from our late team, the team that we have here in Vietnam. And ilang members pa ang meron tayo? I think meron pa tayong 6 to
more
6 to
episodes
8, I
to
think.
come.
So, this is just the first season of our D&J Tambayan. And thank you, Joy. We're happy to have you.
Yes.
And fight. Laban lang. And
Laban.
cheers to more. Cheers tayo para sa future and sa daming travel na pupuntahan natin. Next is Secret!
Secret!
Okay.